Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bacon jam burger. First, let's prepare the star of the show, the bacon jam. Begin by rendering 1 pound of bacon until it's perfectly crispy, then set it aside. Next, sauté 1 large onion and 3 cloves of garlic in the leftover bacon fat until softened. Stir in 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1/2 cup of brewed coffee. Simmer this mixture for about 20 minutes until it thickens. Then fold in your crispy bacon. Now let's focus on the burger patties. Take 1/3 pound of ground beef and gently form it into patties about 3/4 of an inch thick. Season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Cook these patties to your preferred doneness. For a juicy medium, aim for 3 to 4 minutes per side. While the patties cook, lightly toast your brioche buns to a golden brown for that perfect crunch. With all components ready, it's time to assemble your incredible bacon jam burger. Start by spreading a generous, luscious layer of your homemade bacon jam onto the bottom half of a toasted brioche bun. Next, carefully place your perfectly cooked burger patty directly on top of that flavorful jam. If you like, add a slice of your favorite cheese, allowing it to melt slightly from the patty's warmth. Finish with a handful of fresh arugula or crisp lettuce for a touch of freshness. Finally, complete your masterpiece by placing the top half of the toasted brioche bun onto your assembled burger. Serve these incredible bacon jam burgers immediately, perhaps alongside some crispy fries or a fresh salad. Get ready to savor the amazing blend of savory, sweet, and smoky flavors in every single bite. This recipe is designed to yield 4 truly delicious bacon jam burgers, perfect for sharing or enjoying all to yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.